Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. Happy Palm Sunday. And I thought I'd bring you a little cleaning inspiration. So if you're up for a little cleaning inspo, I know I always like that. It always gets me motivated. So if you're up for it, then let's get started. So very busy week. Last week, I had the girls. I pick up my great nieces from after school on every day. And they are so delightful. But you know what? I try to, one's 5, by the way, one's 5 and one is 10. And I try to pick up after them while they're here. I mean, they're pretty neat. I keep them, let them eat in the kitchen mostly. And, but they play throughout the entire first floor. But they're pretty neat kids. But I do use the little dust buster after they finish their after school snack or after school lunch or early dinner or whatever we're calling it. But I do try to tidy up like right after them. But I did a little stuff around the house last week, and I had a few new toys that I wanted to try out. Some things that I got from Amazon, and I will list the products in the description box if anybody's interested in them. This is not sponsored, but I'll list all the products in the description box. But I know I always like a little cleaning inspiration. So if you're up for it, yeah, let's do this. I don't usually do very many cleaning videos. I think if I've done 3, maybe 3. But anyway, it's not a full out cleaning. But I did do like the top of my stove. Guys, I think I'm going to change my clothes. I got to get out of these clothes. I feel really constricted. I had to, this is real life. I had to put a pin in here so that, the girls wouldn't be too exposed at church. I'm trying not to be about that life at church. You know what I mean? So let me get out of this. I got my palm. Let me get out of this first, and I'll come back and talk, show you a little bit more of what I did in the kitchen and some of my new toys that I played around with in the kitchen. So hang on, guys.
Chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through
Can we see that? All right, I'm gonna open this. Piece. Oh, nice. Very nice. And this is a smaller one. Very nice. So as I said, I went on his company's retirement site, and you know, as I said, I didn't really need like an iPad or an Apple Watch or anything like that, since we already have those things. Very nice. I think I'm going to lower that just a little bit so you can see. Nice. So what do they have? Let me see. They have a frying pan, a saucepan, like a 2-quart saucepan, a 10-inch frying pan, a 4-quart saucepan, a 3-quart saute pan, and a stock pot, a 9-quart. Nice. I forget what the value of all this is, but ooh, Lord, these are nice. Very nice. Got something else down here. Another pan. All right, I'm not going to open all of these. Let me see. This is what I really wanted to get to. Look. The tops to the smaller pans. Yeah, this is what I like. Oh yeah, definitely, 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 definitely. All right, let me just lower it. Now this is nice. This is nice. Fits right into your stock pot. So, okay, but the other thing that we thought may have been sent to us accidentally, because I couldn't remember if it came with the set or not. This is what it is. It's like a Dutch oven, is that what it's called? I think the other stuff that I have was really just like a little starter kit that we picked up. We had a fire here, 2009. And so we had to buy all new stuff. And we just picked that up kind of quickly. So I think I'm just going to donate it to Goodwill because somebody can always use it, right? So I think I'll donate those pots and pans to Goodwill. So I'll leave a link to this somewhere in the description box just in case someone's interested in this set. But, so I think that's it. Let's see. I think that might be it. We had a pretty good week. Worked out, did my thing at the community center. Did my thing. Had a good workout. I hope this was some motivation for anyone out there who just needs a little bit of a incentive today, just to get up. I know those videos, I really like those videos. And even though we didn't really get like into the nitty gritty of things, just a little bit to maybe get somebody the little they needed to get up and get cracking. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you know, I'm always talking about thrifted stuff like this and going thrifting and doing things around the house, especially in the yard. Now that spring is officially here, but I don't think Connecticut actually knows it's spring yet because, you know, it was so windy and stuff this morning. But I was able to still make it to church and get my palm, which I'm excited about. So it's Palm Sunday. So I was excited to get up and go to church and get my palm and, you know, get back to the house. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I can't wait to get out in the yard and do some things around the yard. I think I'm going to have the girls, Critics 1 and Critics 2, actually, you know, do some stuff in the yard with me because they seem to be interested in planting things. They picked up some packets of seeds from the library this past week. The library was allowing them to take a pack of seeds. I think it was a limit of 3 per family, something like that, so that they each picked out something. Critic number 1, who's the oldest one, got a packet of seeds, and they were peas, like green peas. And critic number 2 took a packet of sunflower seeds. So they took them home. So I don't know if they're going to plant them at home or plant them here and see how they grow. But I'll keep you posted on how their little gardening is coming along. So if you're interested, by all means, hit the subscribe button. And for everybody, I hope you had a great Palm Sunday if you celebrate. And thank you so much. And I will see you all in the next one.